У нас сегодня в гостях международный эксперт Люк Андерсон Тернер, аспирант Государственного университета Сэма Хьюстона. Люк, как вы находите наш город?
How do you find the city? Yeah, think about it.
Okay. I think the city is really nice, beautiful, and it's nice to see a different side of Russia compared to Moscow or St. Petersburg. It has a different feel. It seems more friendly, more open, and more comfortable.
Немножко о содержании ваших выступлений на семинаре.
Tell us a little bit about your presentations during this seminar.
Sure. My first presentation was about taking some of the teacher's load or work and lowering it to improve the amount of work that students do. And the second one was more about structuring lessons.
Какие впечатления у вас остались от семинара?
What do you think about this seminar?
So far it's been great. I'm looking forward to the second half, and I've really just enjoyed listening and learning.
Какие перспективы дальнейшего сотрудничества с институтом вы видите?
How do you see our future collaboration with the institute?
Sure. So hopefully we can only improve and expand the collaboration. This is my first time here and my first time at this kind of professional development conference, so my experience is a bit limited, so I'm only learning.
Thank you.
Спасибо.